Hi guys, this is Rich with Wild Wonderful Weekends, and this is the 12th video in my series on great places for flatwater kayaking in West Virginia. Today I'm in Ritchie County on North Bend Lake in North Bend State Park. This lake provides a truly unique paddling experience. The sun-bleached timbers reaching out of the water, the abundant wildlife, and the excellent fishing all make this lake a true West Virginia gem. The lake is only 6 years old and covers 300 acres. The water is shallow and ranges between 30 feet in the deepest sections to just 2 feet in the most shallow areas. The water is very clear but teeming with vegetation, and whatever this is. There were lots of these gelatinous masses floating in the water. If anyone knows what they are, let me know in the comments. Motorboats are allowed on this lake, but there's a 10 horsepower limit. I saw one pontoon boat on the water, but mostly there were just other kayakers and people in canoes. Regardless of what type of boat you're on, you'll have to go slow and keep an eye out for logs and stumps just below the surface. I ran up on 2 submerged trees, and the first one almost tipped the boat. But that's okay because the scenery is so amazing you'll want to take your time and enjoy it. And if you want to make a weekend out of it, North Bend State Park has a lot to offer, including a great restaurant and visitor center, plenty of picnic shelters and playgrounds, a miniature golf course, a campground, but campsites are reservation only, a marina and boat ramp with boat rentals including kayaks, nature trails for hikers and mountain bikers, a rail trail that spans 72 miles and takes you over 36 bridges and through 10 tunnels, fishing piers, and a nice day use area at the dam for picnicking. This park is an incredible place to spend an evening, a weekend, or several days, and should definitely be on your list of places to explore in West Virginia. Be sure and check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you enjoyed these videos, to please like and subscribe. Take care.